Good morning and welcome to the channel. Today we are going to factorize x minus 2 into x minus 3 into x minus 4 into x minus 5 minus 255. Okay, to factorize this expression, we will arrange the first term such that the two terms after expanding is equal, so that we can suppose that two terms equivalent to any variable, right? So if we see this, so 4 plus 3 we have 7, 5 plus 2 is 7, so I can write the expression as x minus 2 into x minus 5 into x minus 3 into x minus 4 minus 255. Okay, let's expand the term. So we can write it as x square, right, and minus 2x, right, and then we can write as minus 5x into 5 to the 10 plus 10, right, and then we can write it as x square minus 4x minus 3x minus minus plus 4 3 is 12, and then we can write it minus 255. Now x square minus 7x plus 10 and x square minus 7x plus 12 minus 255. So we have x square minus 7, x square minus 7. So we can suppose y is equals to x square minus 7x. Okay, now we can write it as y plus 10 into y plus 12 minus 255. So now expand this term and we'll be having y square plus 12y plus 10y, and then we'll be having plus 120 minus 255. Okay, so 120 minus 255, and then we can write the expression as y square plus 22y and then minus 135, right? So now we will break the middle term, and to break the middle term, let's multiply the first constant with the last constant, and that we have 135, and let's find the factors, right? So we have 1 and 135, and then we have 5 and 27. So if we minus 27 minus 5, we will be having 22. So we can write it as y square plus 5y minus 27y minus 135. So we can write it as y into y plus 5 and then minus 27, then we are having y plus 5, and we can write this as y plus 5 into y minus 27, and now we'll replace y with x square minus 7. So we can write it as x square minus 7x plus 5 into x square minus 7x minus 27. Thank you for watching.